Hi, this is Kyle Parker for Expert Village, and I'm going to show you how to change page margins in Microsoft Word. So first thing you're going to want to do is open up Microsoft Word. You have your document here, and you have some text, and you have a header and a footer on there, and now you'd like to adjust the margins so that way you want your text to be off the edge of the page more or less. First, you're going to want to make sure you're in page layout view because that's where you're going to see the margins mainly for printing. And then you're going to want to come over to your formatting palette, and then you'll see down here at the bottom in document tab that there's the margin section. This is the standard margin settings that Microsoft Word defaults to. You can then change that, so if you're trying to get some more words on that page for that essay, you can kind of squeeze in those margins on the left and right a little bit, so that way you're getting some more words down the page. Or if you have a header and it's looking a little funny, like you're not sure if it's going to print off the top edge there, you can give that a little more space, and then you'll see that your header comes down further on the page by increasing the amount of the margin, or it'll get closer to the edge by decreasing it. And the same will go for your footer down here if you increase or decrease your margin. Another way in which you can change the margins on your document is to simply head to the top of the page here on the rulers, and you'll see when you reach this edge here where the colors change, there's a little icon that pops up that will show right margin. You can then click and drag that over to readjust the margin to wherever you would like it. You'll notice that the right margin down here in your formatting palette has changed to 0.88. You can then come over here to the left margin and then adjust that to where you would like it as well, and then it'll adjust to that. If you'd like to match it, you can simply go like that and type in 0.88, so that way they're the same. The same goes for your top and bottom margins over here on your left ruler. And that's how you change your margins in Microsoft Word docs.